Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be sharing the complete gap day strategy for ICSE class 10th board exams that will help you score really well, prioritize every single subject and complete the entire syllabus. Even if you feel that your preparation is not up to the mark right now, you can utilize these gap days so well and prepare like a pro. Here's the ICSE 2024 timetable as a reference. If you're giving the exam in the future, you can just make little changes here and there and it'll still be useful for you. Pause the video right here, go get a pen and paper because you want to note down every single thing that I say. It won't take that much of time and trust me, it'll really help you in your preparation. Your next exam is on the 26th. That is history and civics. So on the 25th, your complete day should be dedicated to history and civics, but on the 24th and 23rd you should have half day of history civics and half day of any other subject. So on the 23rd I would recommend doing your 6 subject. For example, if you have computer applications or physical education, get that done first. On the 23rd you should complete your 6 subject syllabus fully. On the 24th, study history, civics and mathematics. If you've completed the syllabus, you can go give a 2-hour, 3-hour maths test, or you could just go through the 10-year papers or complete your syllabus. It really depends on the student, whatever you prefer to do, but get a little bit of maths done. But it's good to do a little bit of maths every single day, even if it's for 1 or 2 hours. As I said, 25th, the entire day you have for history and civics. After that, once you're done with your history civics paper on the 26th, you're supposed to study your second language if it is not Hindi and complete your group 2 elective syllabus. It could be economics or whichever subject that you have. If you have these subjects, get it done that day itself. And if you don't have these subjects, you can go with bio. Once you're done with that, you can start your geography preparation. You can just go through the 10-year papers and read through the answers of the marking scheme. Let me know in the comments if I should share the marking scheme of the other subjects as well, like I shared for English literature. Let me know. On 27th, just do geography because the next day you have your geography exam. I'm making this timetable very practical according to a student. Like, I'm a student myself, so I know how a student mindset works kind of, and the timetable is considering what you would like to do and also what is good for you. It's a combination of both, so it will really help you. Once you come back from your geography paper, if you have second language other than Hindi, you can go study that. But if you have Hindi, you can study chemistry a little bit and bio. Also try to squeeze in a little bit of maths. Even if you're studying 2 to 3 chapters, just revise all the formulas, go through every single thing. The more you revise maths, the better you're gonna be at it, because many students face a lot of problem in that subject, and also it is a standalone subject. History, geography come together, science, 3 subjects are together, but your 6th subject and maths are very important because those are individual subjects and it will really help you boost your percentage. So studying maths every single day is very important. On the 29th, you can continue with your second language if you have second language other than Hindi. But if you have Hindi, on the 29th and 1st, you should study bio, physics, chemistry and maths. All these subjects, both the days. On the 2nd, study physics and a little bit of maths. You can take out just 1 hour. That is sufficient. But on the 3rd, full day for physics because your exam is on the 4th. Okay, once you come back from your physics exam, you're gonna feel so good. From the 4th to the 11th, you have such a big gap. That does not mean that your chemistry paper is going to be difficult. It's just because there are other subjects in between. If you have those, aapka gap kam ho jayega, but if you don't, you have a huge gap, which is really good for you. From the 5th to the 11th, I would recommend studying maths every single day, and on 5th, 6th, 7th, try to complete the syllabus of all the exams that you have left except for chemistry. So your subjects could be art, Hindi, biology, mathematics is every single day, and your 6th subject, you have 3 days to complete the syllabus of all these subjects and also complete the 10-year papers once. Just just read through the answers. From the 8th till your chemistry exam, you can prioritize chemistry the most, but also have a little bit of other subjects, like जैसे 8th को थोड़ी देर मैथ्स कर लिया, थोड़ी देर फिजिकल एजुकेशन है तो वो कर लिया, कमर्शियल स्टडीज है तो थोड़ा वो कर लिया, कंप्यूटर साइंस है तो वो कर लिया, according to you, a little bit here and there. But from the 8th to 10th you have 3 days for chemistry completely. आराम से preparation करना and you will do fine. After your chemistry exam, you will be feeling so light because the next few exams that you have, that is mathematics, biology, your 6th subject, if you have art, commercial studies, all of those, and you have already used the gap days to complete those, so you will feel very relaxed and stress free. So your entire exam session will go really well. After your chemistry exam, you can focus on whatever is the next subject coming in the exam. जैसे 11th and 12th को अपना 6 subject पढ़ लिया, 13th 14th को maths पढ़ लिया. You just have 2-3 days like that, so you can study accordingly, and that will be really good for you. Trust me, when you have an extra gap, studying the last few subjects will really change your mindset. You'll feel a lot more confident, a lot more motivated. To be exact, check out the ICSE playlist. It will really help you prepare. Maths वाली 100 out of 100 वीडियो तो पक्का से देख लेना. It will really help you score 100 out of 100 in maths. Even if it's a 14-day strategy, you do not need 14 days to complete it. You can easily complete it within 5 days. And abhi to you have a lot of time as well, so you can easily finish that. Definitely do that. I'll link it in the description as well. Also check out my Telegram group for notes and everything, all for free. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.